Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate the on-screen keyboard on your HP ENVY X360. It's pretty simple. If you flip your screen over like that, it will automatically show the on-screen keyboard on the taskbar, so you can click on it and open it. Also, when you point on any text field, it will automatically open the on-screen keyboard. Although you may also want to have it when it's not in the tablet mode but in the laptop mode, so it is flipped like that, but you can see it disappears. So in order to change it, just go to the start bar, then go to settings, and then go to personalization, taskbar, and touch keyboard. You can set it to always. Then you have the button all the time and you can just click on it to open it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.